The Profibus is generally accepted within the industry as one of the most used bus systems. Regarding the production, process and building automation, the bus system represents an ideal secure and fast communication exchange between the single bus partners and the steering units. Within big companies, departments such as production lines, stock and logistic departments, building control system, as well as measurement and controlling stations can ideally be connected with each other. The setup of the Profibus network is almost every time the same. On the one side, you can find the control unit, the so-called master system, also known as active station. This can be a SIMATIC S7 of Siemens, such as in our example, or a PC Profibus card. In same cases, various master systems are communicating with each other. On the other side, you can find the bus partners, the so-called slaves, also known as passive stations. This can either be sensors or actuators. The Profibus meets the norm EN 50170. This belongs to the standard of the European field bus norm. Only one identification number, ID, is assigned for each Profibus component worldwide. Let's have a look at the registration of the Optris temperature sensors. Here we can see the number of the corresponding GSD file as well as the kind of Profibus communication. Profibus is worldwide an open standard bus system. All parameters and information are exposable. There are more than 20 million industrial Profibus industry node points worldwide. The speed of a Profibus network can amount to 12 megabits per second. Twisted two-wire lines or optical fibers can be used as a communication line. There are several Profibus versions available, which can be separated into two large fields: the process or field communication and the data communication. At this, the Optris infrared temperature sensors belong to the process or field communication, especially to the version Profibus DP. DP stands for Decentralized Periphery. This version arranges a fast and cyclic exchange between the master system and the Profibus partners. A great advantage of the Profibus network is that it can be connected with other networks such as Profinet, RS485, Ethernet or CAN bus. The picture below shows us the production line of the painting process at a vehicle body. Through the Profibus system, sensor technology and actuator technology can be ideally combined. The infrared temperature sensors are reviewing the temperature of the vehicle body without any contact to continuously check the process of the spray painting. Actuators are here pressure transmitter for the spray paint process as well as rotating motors which are necessary for the onward movement of the conveyor belt.